magical books. He wants to learn magic from that. So he entrusted his younger brother and gave the responsibility of taking care of the country. Antonio, in his lust for powers, he took away their brother's power and exiled him. Prospero and his daughter Miranda, for 12 years, they lived on a secluded island. Using his magical powers, Prospero released a spirit, Ariel. One day, he came to know his brother and King Naples is coming near the island. So he ordered Ariel to create a big storm. Let's see what is going to happen.
Oh my God, the waves are rising. We are all going to sing. We are all going to sing.
Prospero's island, Prospero and daughter Miranda entered.
Father, the storm was terrible. Did anyone die?
No, my child, the storm was made by magic. My magic.
Why did you do that?
Miranda, 12 years ago, my brother Antonio stole my throne and left us on this island.
Oh, really, Father? Is it true?
Yes, fortunately, we survived the voyage and settled in a cave on an island.
Oh, my Father, what a trouble must I have been to you then?
No, my love, you were a little angel. Your innocent smiles made me pure up against my misfortunes.
Heaven, thank you, my dear Father. Now tell me your reason for rising the sea storm.
Long years ago, my brother Antonio took my power and left us on this island. The people on the ship were helped him. So Miranda, today justice will be done. Scene 2. Prospero and Miranda were in a cave. Sycorax and Caliban meets them. Sycorax called Prospero for taking her power. Let's see what is going to happen.
Father, how did you learn this magic?
Ariel, I'm fond of reading magic books. I have learnt it from these books.
So, would it be okay if you killed everyone?
Don't talk much. Stay here safely. I will return soon.
Hey you, Prospero. You free all the spirit from me and rule the forest like a king.
Hey, Sycorax, you used these spirits for bad things, but I used them for good things.
Oh, is it a good thing to create a storm like this and kills everyone?
Hey, shut up. You don't know why I have done these things. That's none of your business. Get lost from here. Ariel, where are you?
Yes, Master, I am here.
Ariel, what's going on there?
Master Prospero, I have done it safe. The ship was safe and all are in the island.
Ariel, I have one more task to you. Then you shall be free.
Thank you, Master.
Scene 3. Miranda meets Ferdinand with Ariel. Miranda and Ferdinand fall in love after seeing each other at the first moment. Let's see. Where am I? This island is strange.
You just listen my voice.
Voice?
Yes, this is my task. You can see a young lady.
Who is sitting there? Such a young, pretty lady. Is she the goddess of this world?
Miranda.
Miranda?
Oh God, how beautiful it is. Surely that is a Spirit's Lord.
Miranda, tell me what you are looking at yonder.
Believe me, Father, it is a beautiful creature.
No, girl. This young man who came from the ship.
Is it, Father? How handsome he is.
Scene 4. Prospero testing the love of Ferdinand, so he gave difficult task to perform and he wants to know the affection between them. Let's see what is Ferdinand going to do. Harriel, Harriel,
Yes, Master, I am here.
tell me about this young man.
Master Prospero, he is Ferdinand, Prince of Naples.
Yeah. Oh, is it? Okay.
Oh God, I'm feeling so hungry.
Hey young man, hereafter you should drink seawater, shellfish, bitter roots, corns shall be your food. This is your punishment because you illegally entered my island.
No, I will resist this.
Abracadabra, you had no power to move.
Father, Father, why are you so ungentle?
Be silent, Miranda. You think there are no more such fine men?
My affection are most humble. I have no wish to see a goodlier man.
Okay, I will do. You may go now. Abracadabra, release. You have no power to disobey me. So do what I say.
Yes, sir.
Come on, young man. Pile up some heavy logs of wood.
Dear, dear, do not work so hard. Take rest.
Oh my dear, I dare not. I must finish my task before my rest.
Will you please sit down? I will do it on behalf of you.
No dear, I have wish. Shall I ask?
Yes.
I am hired to the crown of Naples. And will you please come to my home as a queen?
Yes, it's my pleasure.
Scene 5. Prospero made Antonio his own brother. Antonio and Alonso begging Prospero to forgive them or not. Let's see what is going to happen.
You all are in my hands. Do what I said.
Hungry. I'm so hungry.
Ariel,
Yes, Master.
stop it. That's enough.
Release.
Antonio, Alonso, did you recognize me?
Yeah.
I am Prospero, the Duke of Milan.
Oh Lord, what a pity. I never expected this in your life.
Gonzalo, you helped me very much. So please come this side.
Yes, Master.
Forgive us. Truly sorry. We made a big mistake.
I forgive you all and set myself free.
I lost my only son because of the mistake what I made to you.
No, I had a great surprise for you both. So please come this side. Miranda, Miranda.
Yes, Father.
Oh, are you still alive, my son? Oh, thank God.
Yes, father.
Who is the beautiful girl?
She is Miranda. Hereafter, she is our princess of our country.
Of course.
Yes,
She is my only daughter, Miranda.
Oh my goodness.
Come on, let's all go back to our country.
Okay, how can you get back to our country?
Ship was safe in the harbor and all the sailors were on the boat.
Oh my goodness.
Come. Oh, Ariel. Where is Ariel? Ariel,
Yes, master, I am here.
from now onwards, you shall be free.
Thank you, master.
Come, let's go.
Prospero choose forgiveness over revenge. Moral, forgiveness is stronger than revenge and love brings harmony. The weak can never forgive. Forgiveness is the attribute of strong. So forgive your enemies. Forgiveness is the